So, hi, I am Ludovico. I am Italian. I am a novelist and a painter. And I joined the program because I felt like it could help me with decision making and it could help me to feel empowered because I think we make the best decisions when we feel empowered and we don't feel forced. And so I joined with this idea of meeting people who would help me in my decision making and would inspire me to take the right decisions for myself. And I wasn't only satisfied, I was impressed by Global Young Leaders because it really helped me to share my ideas and to receive constructive criticism, to listen to people who didn't just maybe didn't share my point of view, but who could actually give me some valuable advice and could fortify and validate my ideas and at the same time improve them. And that was really the greatest getaway, the importance of free conversation. Free conversation means a conversation free from competition, free from rivalry, free from friction, really. All my peers, the facilitators, Ravenna and Christian, were great because they helped us stay on point because at times, if there are no facilitators, we can lose a bit the grip. But they were great because they helped us to focus on the argument of the conversation, which is the direction of our lives. And my peers, the other participants really helped me because they really made me notice where I was hindering myself, where I was blocking myself, where I was stopping myself, where and when I was being my own enemy. And they enriched me with so much perspective, with so many new ideas, and with so much constructive criticism that I wish I would have done this earlier. Also, the biggest getaway, together with free conversation, was perspective. Like the idea that there isn't only one value to one thing or one event or one decision. Global Young Leaders has really taught me that at times what we see as challenges are really opportunities and have negative and positive sides. And if we focus on the positive sides, we can really make the most of it. And we don't have to, before Global Young Leaders, my perspective was really black or white. It was really, either this is going to be an obstacle or this is going to be an opportunity. But Global Young Leaders really helped me because it helped me to realize that it's not really what happens to you, but what you make of it. It's not the decision you have to take, is how much you believe in the decision you're taking. And it's not only what road you take at the crossroad, but it's how you walk it. And I think that really changed my life for the better.